The house always wins.
Mrs. Howard! Mrs. Howard! Coop! I'm sorry I'm late. Let me take your bags to the gate.
Looks like you already got your hands full.
Oh, I'm suddenly a very important person and a possible assassination target.
We'll meet you at the gate. Hank.
Okay.
You go ahead. I gotta call my agents.
All right.
Glad you chose to do the right thing.
Is that what you call killing a man?
Check the coin return. If Robert House gets cold fusion, Voltec gets the bombs. This is the only way to stop it.
Is this what I think it is?
You're a soldier. You've killed before.
In uniform.
Wearing a costume doesn't make it any better. I'm giving you the opportunity to save countless lives in exchange for one. I think in this case, the ends justify the means.
You know, people have been saying shit like that for years.
Thank you.
I tell you what. I'll stop the exchange. I'll get your cold fusion back. But I'm not gonna kill a man to do it.
I know I'd go from rags to riches if you would only say you care.
There's no place in government!
I know my pocket may be empty. I'd be a millionaire.
Yeah, you sold us out!
My clothes may still be torn and tattered, but in my heart I'd be a king.
There's a Voltec hotel.
Your ad campaign has been an enormous success.
It's everything.
Crazy world. Yeah.
I'm a big fan.
Private companies shouldn't be allowed to unilaterally dictate American policy. I deserve to be part of this conversation. I'm a United States Congresswoman.
Hey, here. I'm really sorry about that.
It's fine. Fighting the good fight is mostly a series of humiliations. Coop?
Keep at it.
Oh, I need to talk to those reps from Robco. Here to join?
What do you think? I'm gonna get a couple of drinks. Nicotini?
Up to us. Government should be run like a